वक्त पड़े बाजी ये तू जीत गया, वक्त मुश्किल था मगर जैसे भी हो बीत गया। आज दुनिया भी तेरे साथ गुनगुनाती है, कल अकेला ही था जो दुख भरा वो गीत गया।
I've been running halfway around the world and I found myself at the station one day. I was heading to the heartland of desire, exit to the left and I saw a girl standing there. And she said, hey man, why you wanna take that train? The Indian summer sky, the unforgettable fire in her eyes took all of my attention. I had every intention of walking away, but then I realized she's gonna love me today. That's what I say. She's gonna love me today. I said, everybody sing along.
चलेगा ये थोड़ा सा क्रेडिट्स एंड में डालना।